Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here, back with another Proto Tech Tip, and for this week we're going to jump back into Protocase Designer to discuss how to switch cutouts from one face to the other very easily inside the software. Like everything in Protocase Designer, it's a simple and straightforward process, so let's just jump right in. At Protocase and Protospace MFG, we're all about high velocity mass customization, or as we like to call it, HVMC. And it's not just about ultra fast manufacturing. HVMC also means that we've got the tools to help you work quicker and more efficiently. One of those tools is Protocase Designer, our in-house design software. And with it, you can create and order custom parts, panels, brackets, and enclosures in just minutes. And getting started in Protocase Designer is a breeze with over 80 base templates, ensuring that you waste no time having to start from scratch. Once you select the template you want, you can choose material, finishes, dimensions, hardware, all within a few clicks of a button. Then you can jump right into customizing the design to meet your project needs. Now, to add a cutout to your enclosure, just start by picking the face that you want to work on. So let's go ahead and start that now. Click on Edit Face, which opens the face editor in a 2D view. From there, you can choose the shape of your cutout and tweak it. We've also got a handy cutout library packed with pre-designed options for you to choose from. Now, there might be occasions where you might want to move these cutouts from the front face to the back face and vice versa. Well, with Protocase Designer, there's an easy way to switch the faces for cutouts. To do this, you need to first group the objects in the first face. Then note down the location of the group. You can do this by clicking the measure tool and then clicking the lower left corner of the face. Following that, you need to click the middle of the nearest cutout. Measuring from the lower left corner to any point on the object in the group will also work, but this is going to be the easiest. Now make note of the values displayed in X difference and Y difference. Then add the grouped cutout to the cutout library, which after that, you can just delete the items from the face. Now you're going to want to head back to the 3D editor and pick the face that you want to add the cutouts to. Then add the grouped cutout that you just saved from the cutout library. You don't need to worry about placing it perfectly just yet. A rough placement is going to be fine at this stage. Then use the measure tool to adjust the placement. Once you select the measure tool, click the lower left corner of the face, then click the center of the nearest cutout. So you're going to want to keep in mind that switching between the front and back faces reverses the orientation, so you might need to flip the plus and minus signs. If you do that, then the group should then be in the exact same location as it was on the other face. You can now ungroup the items to make them easier to work with. And so that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you can switch cutouts from one face to the other. Keep in mind that if the dimensions of the two faces are different, you might need to adjust the X and Y values on the new face as well. Meanwhile, if you want to flip the cutouts to the other side on the same face, just uncheck the On This Side toggle in Properties section after grouping the cutouts. So if you do have any questions about Protocase Designer, just send us an email at info@protocasedesigner.com and our team will be happy to help. To download Protocase Designer, just head over to protocasedesigner.com. We've got two versions to choose from depending on what you need. If you're looking to create quick designs without much hassle, check out Protocase Designer Personal. It's free to download. Now, on the other hand, if you're part of a team and often work together on designing and ordering custom parts and enclosures, check out Protocase Designer Enterprise. It offers collaborative sharing tools, dedicated design support, dimensional drawings, and personalized training. We'll drop a link in the description below so you can learn more about those products. And that's a wrap for this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, take care.